Long haircuts for girls can range from sleek and straight to wavy and voluminous. Some popular styles include layers, beachy waves, and braids. A long haircut can be versatile and easy to style, making it a great option for girls with a variety of hair types and textures. It is important to consider the shape of your face and the density of your hair when choosing a long haircut, as well as the amount of time and effort you are willing to put into styling it. Consult with a professional stylist to find the best long haircut for you. Let's check out the first one. Long wavy hair. Long wavy hair is characterized by its flowing and undulating curls, which can add volume and movement to hair. It's a versatile and feminine style that can be worn straight, curled or braided, depending on the occasion. It can be achieved by natural hair type, chemical treatments, or heat styling. Long wavy hair is suitable for all face shapes and can be easy to maintain with regular trims and moisturizing treatments. Number 2. Shaggy curly hair with bangs is a modern and edgy hairstyle that combines the texture and volume of curly hair with the face-framing aspect of bangs. This style typically features choppy, layered cuts throughout the hair that add movement and body, while the bangs add a trendy and youthful touch. It can be a great option for those with naturally curly hair, and it suits oval, round, and square face shapes. It requires regular trims to maintain shape and regular use of products to hydrate and define curls. Here is another example. Long copper hair with soft waves. Is stunning with its rich copper hue and delicate waves. This style is ideal for adding warmth and dimension to delicate, flowing hair. Soft waves appear effortless. Heat styling or chemical treatments can create this hairstyle for naturally wavy hair. This style suits all face shapes and requires regular touch-ups and hair treatments to preserve color and texture. The next one is Height Ponytail Hairstyle. A professional high ponytail hairstyle pulls hair back and secures it at the crown. This easy-to-do style may be dressed up or down. It works for most face shapes with or without bangs. High ponytails can be elegant or voluminous, straight or wavy. Long-haired people can add height and keep hair off their faces with it. The ponytail needs regular cuts and a sturdy hair tie to avoid damage. The next one is long straight hair. Long, straight hair is a sign of a woman's beauty, especially if it's healthy, well-groomed, properly cut, and styled. The variety of fashionable haircuts for your poker straight tresses is impressive. What was your favorite style? Leave a comment and let us know. Subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching.